In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix and Mailchimp. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard and go to the editor for the website you want to work on. Once you're on the editing page, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the Add button. This is where Wix keeps the tools, apps, and design elements you can place on your site. After that, click on Elements so you can browse what's available. In the search bar, type in Mailchimp. This will help you quickly locate the Mailchimp app or integration option without having to scroll through all the available elements manually. When the Mailchimp option appears, click on the app to open it. At this stage, Wix will usually show you the app details along with the terms for using the integration. Take a moment to read through the terms on the screen so you understand what access is being requested and how the connection between Wix and Mailchimp will work. This is especially useful if you plan to use the app for newsletter signups, email marketing, or collecting subscriber information through your website. Once you've reviewed everything, click Agree and Add. This action installs the Mailchimp app onto your Wix site and begins the process of connecting the two platforms. Depending on your setup, the app may then appear directly on your page or be added to your site so you can continue configuring it. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're adding the correct Mailchimp element for what you want to do. In many cases, people use this integration to collect email addresses through sign-up forms, so placing the right app on the page is important for a smooth setup. It's also a good idea to give the page a quick check afterward to make sure the app has been added where you want it and looks right with the rest of your website design. And that's the basic process for connecting Wix and Mailchimp through the editor. You open your site, go to Add, choose Elements, search for Mailchimp, select the app, review the terms, and then click Agree and Add. Once that's done, you're ready to move forward with the integration and continue setting up your email marketing tools inside your Wix site.